Today we are making the cocktail recipe Cosmopolitan. Hey everybody, my name is Michael, cocktail bartender at Polly in Fitzroy, Melbourne. And today we are making Carrie Bradshaw's favourite drink from Sex and the City. Yes, I watched it and I loved it. We're making the Cosmopolitan, or the Cosmo. So today we're doing more of an advanced tailored recipe to the Cosmo. So we're using vodka, Contro, which is an orange triple sec liqueur. We've got 20 ml of lime juice with no pulp, and we've got 30 ml of cranberry juice. So the first thing we're going to be doing is placing our ice in our glass, and then also preparing our garnish, which today will be a flamed orange twist. So firstly we're going to be cutting. So you want a circle for this one. Put that aside for later. And now we're getting straight to it. So the recipe today is a little bit more tailored. $40 ml, 20 ml of Contro. And for ease, we've already poured the correct measurements. $20 ml lime juice and 30 ml. Cranberry juice. Now we're going to shake. To the top of the small shaker. And shaking. So shaking for between 7-10 seconds when this tin is nice and ice cold. Dumping the ice. And as we've shaken it, we're fine straining it today. Look at that beautiful colour. And for our garnish, a flamed orange peel. So the trick to flaming an orange peel is cutting a nice thick oval or circle. So you can put both fingers around it and have the flame, which we're going to light up here. So the nice thickest part. So just like this, warming up the center, and when you're ready, give it a little squeeze. And you can just drop that in the drink or place it on the edge. For me, I feel it's a little bit nicer for this drink. Pushing it out to your guest. And you've got yourself a beautiful Cosmopolitan. Let's give it a try. So you get that beautiful aroma of that burnt orange. Even Carrie Bradshaw would have loved that one. Thanks guys, if you've liked our video, hit the subscribe button. Let us know if you'd like us to make any sort of cocktails.